Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a registered sign symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer or PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert a registered sign symbol on your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show in this video. So to insert a registered sign symbol like this, so you just want to use your keyboard shortcut because there is no insert symbol option present on the Microsoft Excel web. So use your keyboard shortcut. The keyboard shortcut for the registered sign symbol was Alt key plus 0174. So you just need to press the Alt key with 0174, which create a registered sign symbol. So you press Alt key plus 0174. So you can just resize this registered sign symbol by increasing this. You can see the registered sign symbol has been increased. And this is how you just insert. And the second way to insert is you just want to press Windows key plus dot symbol. So you just press the Windows key on your keyboard with dot symbol, actually opens the Windows symbol dialog box. So here you can see on the first general punctuation you can find the registered sign symbol, and here you can just insert a registered sign symbol by using this. These are the two options that you can easily insert the registered sign symbol on your Microsoft Excel web. I think this video helped. Do not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.